Another beautiful day, another beautiful evening. Look, clouds but no rain. Nope. Though we've had a lot of rain, I'm telling you, I think the hummingbirds are already migrating. So keep your eyes out, depending on where you live, of course, because you may be under snow, so they won't be heading there, but they could be heading to a lot of different places. Look at this right here in my window. What is there? There's 6 here. Look at this right here. And then of course you've got all those in the back. We're going through right now about 3 to 4 gallons a day. Each day it seems to increase the amount of food that they are sucking in. So I really do feel they are starting to do their migration. Now they may stay here. Look at that one. Oh, that one's empty. He poked it and showed me it is empty. I'll have to go get that one out. The little blue, red cap there. That was off an old feeder that my neighbor gave me. It was a feeder that was incorporated, the whole thing in one. It was so rusty that we pulled the top off and I made that into a cover. Isn't that cool? So you can repurpose a lot of stuff. But yep, they are moving around and it looks like I should put a couple more feeders up before the sun goes down. But I wanted to kind of touch base with you and let you know that there has been an increasingly number building each day. And I am starting to see other birds show up that we haven't seen in years. So it's been really interesting with the joncos coming in, I'm going to call it swarms. They're small groups. They're like 6 to 8, or gosh, it could be more. Remember we had them in the house? But I just wanted to say hello. Things are going really good. This keeps me busy because we had some errands to run. I had to fill all these this morning because they emptied it right after the sun came up. And then, of course, as soon as I got back, a few hours later, everything was almost empty. There's always food around. And I went ahead and washed and cleaned and put everything back out. Look at the numbers. My biggest concern is I know I have enough feeders if there's a couple seats. So we got a seat in front of us. If they were desperate enough, they would come right here and feed off of this one. If you look beyond there, let me zoom in a little bit. Let me hold my camera steady. Not every single seat is taken. No, it's going to get thicker with birds as the sun starts to go down even more. But as you can see, there's a seat here and a seat there. And that is a good thing because we want to make sure that when they fly over, there's seats for them to feed in different areas. Now you've got the window here that brings in a lot of our regulars. So I'm sitting here in the kitchen doing my thing and they will come and feed right in the window. Now the ones that are coming up and seeing the other birds feed, because remember, hummingbirds do not leave in groups like birds do. You don't have flocks of hummingbirds, but you do have hummingbirds going in the same direction. And they follow each other. If they hear other hummingbirds, they come down. So you've got the ones that are, let's call them more wild. They're coming from another area. Maybe they've never been here before and they want to feed away from the window. See, let me step back. So they feel they have a little distance. So they'll feed out on that bar that Gary put across there with all the feeders and then even on the deck. Now you've got the ones here in this window and they're okay. I'm not standing in the window, so they don't mind that. And then you've got the one right here. I think this one's empty on the top. Right in the window. Literally, these birds are less than 18 inches from me. That's how close I am. So they don't mind me because they're regulars. They probably live here all year long. They know who I am. I go to put feeders out. They jump right on the feeder as soon as I'm hanging it up. So they're just peaceful, happy, and they know me. If I go change the feeders, they'll come from all over across the hillside because they already know, oh, she's doing something, and they'll come and inspect. So those are regulars. And then the ones back there, it will be a mixed bunch. It could be babies returning from last year that weren't quite sure who I am. It could be new ones that are coming that don't have any idea who I am. So they come because all the other birds are there. And you know, the old saying, safety in numbers, that's what it is. They see a lot of other birds. They know everything looks good. It's peaceful, it's safe, and that's where they come here. So I just wanted to let you know they are moving. Though we've had a lot of rain, the weather has been fairly stable. So we're like in the 60s during the day and maybe 50s at night, though we do drop down a little bit into the 40s, and they're fine with that because they go torpid at night. They go into the bushes and they go into like a hibernation state. Then in the morning when the sun comes up, things start to warm up. They start to warm up too, and then they come to feed. So keep an eye out. If you suspect you don't have snow, your weather's been stable, let's say you're on the coast of California and you haven't seen any for a while, keep your eyes peeled because they may be just around the corner. They may already be there at your neighbor's house. I know it's a little early, still being in January, and we're still in winter, but you know what? I've had birds nest in the winter, so it all depends on if they know and sense there's enough food, there's enough shelter, there's enough building materials for nesting. They'll start to stick around, they'll start to scope out places, the ones that want to nest here, and see where they want to nest. And well, they'll start traveling up north, the ones that are looking for a new place to be for the spring. So with that, have a wonderful day. Don't forget to eat what you grow. And I will keep you up to date with all the birds around here because so many exciting things are coming this year for 2026. Bye-bye, everybody. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.